Hello, I'm Kate. I'm a big food lover and consider myself quite the foodie. Trying out new dishes and exploring different flavors is something that excites me. One place that I've been dreaming of visiting is India. The diverse cuisine and rich culinary traditions, they have always fascinated me. I can't wait to indulge in the vibrant and flavorful Indian dishes like biryani, butter chicken, and masala dosa. Oh, the thought of it makes my mouth water. On top of that, I would have the chance to experience the wonderful culture and vibrant atmosphere of India. It would be such an amazing adventure. To make things even more exciting, I have a friend named INDRA who lives in India. Our shared love for food, and I can't wait to meet him in person, sharing his favorite food spots and giving me a glimpse into the local food scene. Together, we'll embark on an unforgettable culinary journey through India. So friends, I hope you're enjoying this video. I just wanted to check in with you all and see if you're able to understand my accent. If you're facing any difficulties, no worries, just drop a comment below and let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Also, if you're struggling with any of the English words I used in this video, feel free to ask. I'll provide you with simple examples in the comment section to make it easier for you to grasp. In the meantime, I want you to have a wonderful English speaking journey. Remember, it's all about practice and dedication, and if you liked this video, please show your support by hitting the like button and sharing it with your friends and family members who want to improve their listening skills. Oh, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my friend's YouTube channel, INDRA. Trust me, it's worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.